Do you have a student who requires extended time in a quiz due to disability accommodations? This tutorial will teach you how to grant extended time in Canvas quizzes. First, you'll need to go to a quiz in Canvas. On the Quiz Tool page, click on the Moderate this quiz button. Scroll down to the student's name that needs the time extension. Alternatively, you can use the search bar to find a student if your class is big. In this example, we will use Annika Mo. At the end of the row, click on the pencil icon to bring up the extension menu for that student. In the field for Extra Time on every attempt, you can enter the additional amount of time a student needs in minutes. Annika needs time and a half for this hour-long exam. Thus, I will enter in 30 minutes because that is the additional amount of time needed for the extension. Once you have entered in the time, click on Save to create the time extension for the quiz. You will need to add these exceptions to every quiz that needs an extension. Unfortunately, there is no way to set up a time extension on the course level for all of the quizzes. If you have any questions or require assistance, please feel free to reach out to us through the OES Course Assistance form. Thanks.